Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a stop on Lyft. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the Lyft application on my phone, and this is how it will look like once you open the app. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find two sections, rides and also trips. You can schedule a ride from here. You can also connect your account if you don't have your Google account connected, and then you can add a Google Calendar. So, for example, I'm going to go to rides, and then from here, you can enter a destination. You can choose your start location. For example, I'm going to choose Los Angeles Airport, and then you can choose from the list right here in the bottom. And you can also select your destination. So once you select your pickup location and your destination, go ahead and click on Set Pickup. And then from here, you need to choose which option that you want. There is the Lyft option, Lyft XL, for some extra car seats. There is also some luxury options like extra comfort. There is the Lux Black and the Lux Black XL that is have 6 car seats. So for example, I'm gonna select this one, and right here you can schedule the ride for on another date if you want. So for example, I'm gonna select tomorrow's date, click on OK, and from here you can also select the hour that you want, and then click on OK. Once you finish, go ahead and click on Next, and then click on Select. And the last thing that you need to do, guys, is select your payment method, and then you can request your ride. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.